Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review, and today we have the final instalment of our England shirts from bestzv4.com. All the information for the seller will be in the description of this video. Now this is the final one from the bestzv4 order that I've just recently done. So we've had the home and away player spec, we've then had a home kids kit and an away kids kit, and like the home one, this is like a fan's version because the items are embroidered on. I will leave a link to bestzv4 in the description of this video. I'll also leave a link to my usual DHK seller as well, so you can take a look at their items. Now this one is for my lad as well, size 24. So hopefully it will fit him, and I assume, like the home one, it will come with a pair of shorts in the bag as well. Flip side of the bag though does have just the traditional health warnings, and yeah, look, there's the shorts just there. Delivery timescales, you're looking in that sweet spot between 10 to 15 days. So what we'll do now is we'll open the bag and let's take a look at the England away kit for the World Cup 2026 that we purchased from bestzv4.com. Okay, we're at the front of the shirt and we've got like it's a strange shaped collar, but I quite like it actually. You've got like the one piece here that it joins there, and you've got the cutouts around there. So yeah, nice stretchy sort of material there on the collar. We've got these famous white stripe or white bands on there, which has caused a lot of uproar for people because they seem to pop up a little bit, which you can see here actually. So yeah, a lot of complaints. Sleeves, we've got the stretchy sort of material there and on that side, and we do have one loose thread there. I mentioned this is like the fans version, so this has been embroidered on star, embroidered on England badge, and the Nike tick is embroidered in as well. At the bottom you do have this engineered tag, and this is your telltale sign of whether the shirt is official or not. So if you were to go into that code into Google, if an England shirt pops up, then you know it's official. If something else pops up, then it's not. And yeah, if you were to type this one in, it won't be an England shirt that you see. So please, yeah, if you're buying one of these shirts from anyone, check that code. Here we have the ventilation under the arms, which is quite nice to see on the kids shirts as well. Sometimes you don't get the actual ventilation area, you just get like a fake bit of material sitting over it, but you can just about see my fingers through there. The material as well has got the print in there, which you can just about see, the same as the home shirt, which is pretty impressive. But there's the front of the shirt. Let's take a look at the reverse as well now. Not a great deal to show you on the reverse side because again I've gone for no name and number, but we do have the pattern in the back of the shirt, which you can see much better on the reverse side than you could on the front. And actually you can see the printing through the material there. We didn't actually see how see-through it is. Being red, it's quite thick, but you can, when the light hits it, you can make out my fingers. The ventilation that continues from the front through to the back as well. Stitching at the bottom, we do have one loose thread there, but nothing else. Everything else looks pretty sharp actually, pretty good. Yeah, there's the reverse side. I think we'll take a look at the shorts now before we take a look at the inside of the shirt. So just a simple one with the shorts. You get the England badge, which has been embroidered on. As you can see from the inside, you've got some of this card. If that doesn't pull off, which this one has done relatively easy, then I would recommend just putting some lukewarm water on it. That will then peel off nice and easy. But you do have the England crest on that side with the star, and then on this side you have the Nike tick. There's a pattern in the shorts as well, and at the top you do get your drawstrings. As with all of these shorts, they do look quite long, which is fine for me. I prefer longer shorts, but yeah, these are not for me anyway, these are for my lad. But it's nice that you get a pair of shorts included in the price of the shirt for the kids items. You don't get that with the adults ones, but yeah, kids, you do get some shorts thrown in. Let's take a look back at the shirt again now. Okay, we're on to the inside of the shirt, and you can see a little bit better now what I was saying earlier with the collar, how it's like these multiple pieces, one bit around the back there, and then the two just there. Got a bit of white showing through there, that's from that piping that we see on the front of the shirt. And some loose cottons down here. Again, a little bit of loose cotton around the side there. And on that side too. England star, you can see the embroidered around there. And down the bottom we have the washing instructions. The recommendation when washing these shirts is to do it is now, flip it inside out and put it on a hand wash setting. You can make out the ventilation on both sides there. If there was any loose card around here, then obviously we'd put some lukewarm water on there to remove it, but there's nothing there. So that's the first part of the inside of the shirt done. Let's take a look at the final part of the inside of this England shirt now. Okay, we're on to the final part of the inside of the shirt, and there's the happy and glorious, which we said on the other part of the video that we could see slightly through the shirt. You do get these Nike Dri-FIT tags. That's another way that you can tell these shirts are not legitimate. They do put them in there, which looks quite nice, but yeah, if you get something on there with a plastic tag, you know it's not legit. So keep an eye out for that. Stitching though, all looks fine on the inside, all looks good down there. Yeah, absolutely spot on. There is again another loose thread there, but in all honesty, it's been a pretty good shirt. And I've said a few times, a big crease there actually, but that'll come out when the shirt's been worn. But yeah, as I've said a few times, when you get these like bigger teams, nations, the shirts always do seem a lot better quality, and this is definitely one of them. So yeah, that is our England away shirt. And there we have it, our England away shirt for the World Cup, coming up, World Cup 26. And this is a kids version of the shirt. And as I said earlier during the video, you do get a pair of shorts with this one as well. The seller was bestzv4.com. All the information for the seller in the description of the video. A really nice shirt. I do like the England shirts that are being produced for this coming World Cup. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions or anything, by all means leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Seller bestzv4.com, a link in the description along with a link to my DHgate seller so you can take a look at their items too. Let me know which other shirts you'd like me to review soon. I do have a Elite Manchester United 26-27 shirt coming up soon, so yeah, make sure you check back for that soon. As we take the final look at the England shirt, thank you very much for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.